Given that log2 of 32 to the power x over x8 to the power y can be expressed as px plus qy, find the value of p and q. So to solve this, you can just mess around with the rules of logarithms until you express your log2 of 32 to the power x over 8 to the power y in this form. So this one we have log2 of 32 to the power x over 8 to the power y. We can simplify this to, by using the quotient rule, we can say log2 of 32, this one here, to the power x minus, remember when we are dividing we subtract, log 2 of 8 to the power y. And then after this you can now apply the quotient, the power rule. So the power rule tells us that when you have 32 to the power x in a log, you can just write this as a coefficient of the log, like this, and then minus. You can apply the same rule here and say y log 2 of 8. And then now, to what power should I raise 2 to get 32? So 2 times 2 is 4, times 2 we have an 8, times 2 we have 16, times 2 we have 32. So the power here is a 5, because 2 to the power 5 is 32. You do the same thing this side. To what power should you raise 2 to get an 8? 2 to the power 1 is 2, times 2 you have 4, times 2 again you have 3. So 2 to the power 3 is 8, so you can have an 8 there. Then this times this will be 5x, minus this times this will be 8y. And then since this is in the form px plus qy, we can conclude that the coefficient of x, let me just put it this side, the coefficient of x here is the same as the coefficient of x here, so that means p is equal to 5. Forgive my 5. And then the same applies to this. The coefficient of y, which is q, is the same as the coefficient of y this side. Don't forget the negative because we have a plus here. So that means q is equal to -8, and you're done.